everybody, this is Lynne MacFarlane with Intero Real Estate Services. I hope you and your family are doing okay during this sheltering in place that we're experiencing. A lot of people have been asking me what's going on in the state of real estate and how do you function? And that's a good question because until fairly recently last week, realtors are considered essential businesses. And so we are able to, with CDC guidelines, we are able to go out and serve our clients right now. And if you have any questions about real estate, or if you have any friends who are interested in selling within this year, feel free to reach out to me. I have a master's in digital media marketing, and so a virtual agent is not an issue with me. I can teach you a lot of different techniques so that we can communicate. Anyway, so let's get together, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.